A Mentor's Guide to the Phases of Learning, Leadership Education Mentoring Institute. Picture a child learning to walk. First they crawl, then wobble upright, take tentative steps, and finally run with confidence. Learning follows similar natural progressions, distinct phases that build upon each other as students grow and develop. What we often forget as mentors is that learning unfolds through several key phases, each with its own beautiful purpose. Understanding these phases helps us nurture growth at just the right pace, like knowing when to hold a child's hand and when to let them explore independently. We see natural phases. Discovery, 0 to 11, blends character and curiosity. Scholar, 12 to 18, unfolds through practice, apprentice, and self-directed stages. Depth brings specialization, and mission enables contribution. These are guidelines. Each student progresses at their own pace. The discovery phase weaves together two beautiful threads: the development of character and the blossoming of natural curiosity. These threads intertwine from the very beginning. An infant discovering her hands isn't just learning about fingers and movement. She's also building confidence and joy in discovery. Imagine watching a butterfly emerge from its chrysalis. The transformation doesn't happen all at once. It's a gradual unfolding, each stage essential to the creature's development. The scholar phase follows a similar pattern of beautiful metamorphosis. The journey unfolds in 3 stages. Practice scholar, like assistant chefs learning to use basic tools. Begin to wrestle with ideas, question assumptions, develop independent study habits, 2 to 4 hours daily. Take ownership of daily schedule management. Build foundation for lifelong learning. Apprentice scholar, begin cooking independently, double study time to 6 to 8 hours daily, meet deadlines and follow detailed instructions, develop critical thinking and emotional awareness. Begin mentoring younger students. Balance initiative with submission to mentors. Self-directed scholars begin crafting their own recipes, create independent study programs 40+ hours weekly, manage complex projects and seek chosen mentors, lead discussions and seek additional opportunities, prepare for future specialization. Picture a garden through the seasons, each flowing naturally into the next while carrying forward earlier growth. The phases of learning work much the same way, weaving together in a continuous journey of development. We're not building a foundation with rigid blocks. We're tending a garden where character and curiosity grow together, each supporting and enriching the other in beautiful and unexpected ways. Remember, we're not running a race. We're nurturing future leaders who can think deeply, reason clearly, and contribute meaningfully to their world. Trust the process, honor individual timing, and watch natural learning unfold in beautiful ways. If you'd like more information about how to apply the leadership education homeschool philosophy in your home and community, be sure to check out The Learning Zone by Tiffany Earle and Heidi Christensen, available at lemihomeschool.com and Amazon.